Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and use a DJI mode on Spotify. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that, first of all, this is a new update by Spotify itself. So what you're gonna do for that, first of all, go ahead, open your Play Store and check if your Spotify app is updated or not, because as I mentioned, it's in a new update, so you have to make sure your app is updated and ready for the new features. So as you can see, it shows open over here. That means the app is updated. And what you can do, if you go back and open Spotify, and you will be able to find this kind of interface, right? So for you to access the DJI mode, what you gotta do is go to this music option, and you will be able to find a DJI option right over here. So currently it's not available. Obviously it's a new feature. The enrollment might take a little bit of time to reach every user right there. So once you do that, you will just have tap on and you will be able to find your DJI mode if it's already available and rolling around your area. So what you gotta do, go ahead and find like that and use it. If that's not the case, what you gotta do, make sure to update your app regularly so you can get hold to that feature. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, leave them in the comments below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.